Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve browser on WhatsApp. To not fix or how to solve browser on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and you click OK. You will enter to WhatsApp and then you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about WhatsApp. If you'll find here updates, you can click to update your app. And if it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attentions and your watching.